we're fishing pool 4 today. Ben's gonna use the jig and a minnow. I'm gonna start with the blade bait. We'll see what happens. Huh?
I'm just gonna go nice and slow.
Jig and a minnow starts first. Hey, sauger or a little walleye.
Walleye. You little guy, first fish.
First one.
There you go. Good fish.
I either snagged it or it's big. I think I got a catfish.
Yeah, digging. Okay, well, you're on your own. Let me know when you're...
10-pounder start it. I'd be like, all right, I'm calling.
That's all she wrote.
I mean, there's no like crazy head shake, so.
Probably catfish. Let's fight my catfish.
Smoked it, whatever it is.
Catfish.
Cat. Ah,
You're supposed to catch him in the mouth.
that's one way to get him. He's doing the little chitter chatter.
Congratulations. That's a pile of fish for us. When I've got those out here, it's like you go to that spot, drop a blade bait.
That? Maybe.
Feels like a flipper. Oh.
That's a good one.
Oh, it is a good one. It was so fat, I thought it was a carp.
Nice work.
Yeah.
That. That's a monster. See that thing?
His mouth, he's got a whole shad in his mouth.
He wasn't skipping any meals. Jeez. That's a true jumbo.
Ooh, you better scoop him.
Oh, he's too small.
It's a sauger.
Oh, is it?